Welcome. Are you ready to manage risks like a pro? Today, we'll explore the powerful tool called a risk matrix. Risk management is essential for any project. Identifying and prioritizing risks helps ensure success. A risk matrix simplifies this process. Let's break down the components of a risk matrix. It has two axes: likelihood and severity. Likelihood measures how probable a risk might occur. We use a scale from low to high. Severity assesses the impact if the risk occurs. Again, we rank it from low to high. Now, we can plot risks on the matrix. Start by identifying potential risks for your project. Next, evaluate each risk's likelihood and severity. Place each risk on the matrix using these assessments. The top right corner represents high likelihood and high severity. We focus on that first. Lower risks can be handled later. Lower risks can be managed at a later stage. This visual representation helps you prioritize effectively. Imagine a software project. Risks could be data breaches or timeline delays. If a data breach is highly likely and severe, plot it in the top right. For a less likely but severe timeline delay, place it lower on the matrix. This clear visualization helps teams communicate effectively about risks. It allows for better decision-making and resource allocation. A risk matrix summarizes risks by likelihood and severity, helping visualize priorities for effective management. Start identifying your risks today. Remember, proactive risk management leads to greater success. In the next video we will discuss about hierarchy of controls. Stay connected with us. Thank you.